Welcome to Motorsports Mania, the channel where automotive passion meets precision. Whether you are a gearhead, a family vehicle enthusiast, or someone who just enjoys staying ahead in the world of automotive tech and design, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting and futuristic update in the SUV segment. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Chevy Tahoe, a vehicle that continues to evolve and push boundaries in full-size SUV performance, technology, and utility. In this video, we'll take a deep look into the 2026 Tahoe's design, specs, features, performance, and how it stacks up in a very competitive SUV market. The Chevy Tahoe has long been a staple in American households, law enforcement fleets, and road trip caravans alike. With its commanding presence, spacious interior, and solid performance, the Tahoe has earned its place as one of the top-selling full-size SUVs in North America. The 2026 model builds on this legacy with a complete refresh that blends ruggedness with refined design cues, all while enhancing its technological and mechanical underpinnings. From exterior styling to interior tech and powertrain updates, the 2026 Tahoe aims to strike the right balance between tradition and innovation. On the outside, the 2026 Tahoe presents a bolder and more sculpted design. The front fascia has been reworked with a more aggressive grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that stretch towards the fenders, giving it a wider and more assertive appearance. The bumper has been reshaped with more defined air intakes and a stronger lower chin that adds to the SUV's rugged appeal. Higher trims feature signature lighting elements and blacked-out details that give the Tahoe a sportier character. Around the side, sharper character lines, flush-mounted door handles, and updated wheel designs ranging from 18 to 24 inches add modern flair without straying too far from its classic proportions. At the rear, the LED taillights have been redesigned for a more horizontal and streamlined look, with a subtle roof spoiler and integrated exhaust tips completing the clean and purposeful design. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Tahoe receives one of its most significant upgrades. The interior feels more upscale and tech-forward than ever before. The dashboard now features a massive curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless panel. Measuring over 30 inches combined on higher trims, this digital setup provides a customizable interface for navigation, media, vehicle information, and driver assist settings. The center console has been redesigned for improved storage and usability, with wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and enhanced cup holders. Material quality has been significantly upgraded across all trims, with soft touch surfaces, real wood or metal accents, and available quilted leather seating. Ambient lighting and active noise cancellation contribute to a premium and serene driving environment. Passenger space remains one of the Tahoe's biggest strengths. With 3 rows of seating and a long wheelbase, the 2026 model offers generous legroom in all rows. Second-row seats slide and recline for optimal comfort, and third-row access has been made easier thanks to improved folding mechanisms. The rear cargo area benefits from a flatter load floor and power folding seat options, making it practical for everything from grocery runs to cross-country trips. Whether you're hauling passengers or gear, the Tahoe delivers impressive flexibility. Under the hood, the 2026 Tahoe continues to offer a variety of engine options tailored to different needs. The standard engine remains a 5.3-liter V8, now enhanced with more efficient cylinder deactivation and updated fuel injection systems for improved power and economy. It produces slightly more horsepower than before, delivering confident acceleration and towing capabilities. For those needing more muscle, the 6.2-liter V8 remains available, now pushing out even more horsepower and torque thanks to performance tweaks and software upgrades. Both version 8S are paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission that helps maximize performance and fuel efficiency. In addition to the V8s, Chevrolet continues to offer the 3.0-liter Duramax inline-6 turbo diesel engine, a fan favorite for its torque-rich power delivery and excellent fuel economy, especially for long highway hauls and towing. New for 2026 is the addition of a hybrid powertrain option. While details are still being finalized, early reports indicate a plug-in hybrid system that pairs a smaller turbocharged gas engine with electric motors and a battery pack to deliver both impressive fuel efficiency and strong low-end torque. This new hybrid model is aimed at eco-conscious families and urban drivers who still need the utility of a full-size SUV without sacrificing efficiency. On the road, the 2026 Tahoe feels more composed than ever. The updated suspension system, which includes available air ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control, allows for a comfortable and smooth ride across a variety of surfaces. Whether you're driving on the highway or tackling rougher terrain, the Tahoe delivers a controlled and confident experience. The steering has been tuned for better feedback, and the brakes feel responsive and strong, particularly with the larger available brake packages on higher trims. Four-wheel drive models come with selectable drive modes, allowing drivers to optimize performance for snow, mud, sand, or trailer towing. Safety and driver assistance features have also taken a step forward. The 2026 Tahoe comes standard with an expanded suite of active safety technologies, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality is available, and Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving system, is now offered on more trims than before. This semi-autonomous system works on pre-mapped highways and allows for hands-free driving with enhanced safety monitoring, making long road trips easier and more relaxing. Technology and connectivity are at the forefront of the 2026 Tahoe's appeal. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated Google services, and voice-activated controls. A high-end Bose audio system is available, offering clear and immersive sound throughout the cabin. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten either, with available rear seat entertainment screens, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and dedicated climate controls. Over-the-air updates ensure that the software and features stay up to date long after the SUV leaves the dealership. Towing capacity remains one of the Tahoe's strong points. Depending on the engine and configuration, the 2026 model can tow up to 8,400 pounds, making it ideal for pulling trailers, boats, or recreational gear. Trailer sway control, a new digital trailer checklist, and multiple camera angles make towing safer and more manageable, even for less experienced drivers. When looking at the competition, the 2026 Tahoe continues to hold its own against rivals like the Ford Expedition, Toyota Sequoia, and Jeep Wagoneer. What sets the Tahoe apart is its wide range of engine options, spacious interior, advanced tech, and proven reliability. It strikes a compelling balance between rugged utility and modern luxury, appealing to families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevy Tahoe is not just an update but a thoughtful evolution of a trusted full-size SUV. With refined design, powerful and efficient engine choices, cutting-edge technology, and a focus on comfort and utility, the new Tahoe is more ready than ever to meet the needs of modern drivers. Whether you need it for family duties, towing, road trips, or just daily driving with presence and capability, the 2026 Tahoe delivers in every key area. Thank you for tuning into Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Chevy Tahoe and want to stay updated with more reviews, specs, and automotive features, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.